G'day guys, I've just arrived in chilly Melbourne and I'm down here for the next 3 days judging at the Australian Institute of Professional Photography Awards. It's the national awards, happens around this time every year. It's going to be a pretty full-on few days. The judging lasts pretty much all day for 3 days, and I'm scheduled to judge in 3 different categories over those 3 days. Really looking forward to seeing what creative work the Australian photographers have entered this year. There's always some really outstanding, amazing work, so it's a great inspiration and I really enjoy the judging. I thought I'd just do a little quick video on this case which I brought down with me. Haven't really planned on doing too much shooting, but just in case I thought I'd bring a bit of gear. This case was given to me a couple of months ago to test out, but this is the first chance I've had to travel and take it on a plane and give it a really good test. So it's called the CamCase. It's designed by a photographer in Queensland called Paul Broben. We all struggle here in Australia for domestic flights with the limitations on carry-on weight for our camera gear. So Paul's come up with a really great case designed for mirrorless systems. So it's designed to look exactly like a laptop case, and for that reason alone it's pretty unlikely that it's going to get weighed. So this is the 13-inch model, and they also have a 15-inch model. So this will take a 13-inch tablet or laptop, and full of gear it's supposed to weigh in at around that 7 kilo mark or just under. So let's have a quick look at the gear that I've brought down. So I've managed to fit the XH1 XT2 battery grip for the XH1, 16 to 55 2.8, 56mm 1.2, a little Panasonic LX100 which I often use for a bit of B-cam video footage, my Godox AD200 with the X1 remote for Fuji, got a USB power brick here, spare batteries, a couple of USB chargers, and I've got a little Yi Action 4K, again just in case I need some extra BTS footage, memory card, and that's pretty much it in this case. There's a couple other little bits and pieces up here, but all this gear weighs in at exactly 7 kilos, including the bag. So that's not including any sort of tablet. I've just got my little iPad mini in there, which I use on the plane. So I do have a separate bag for my MacBook Pro. So the great thing about this is that it just looks exactly like a laptop case, and coming in at exactly 7 kilos, so you're within the limit of the airport carry-on. So there you go, that's the CamCase. My first impressions are that it's really well made. Zips seem pretty good quality. It's plenty of room. You've got plenty of dividers given to you to arrange it exactly how you want, which is always great. There's nothing I hate worse than sort of being limited in how I lay out the gear inside the case. So it's a great design, and I love the fact that you can keep that amount of gear in under that 7 kilos, because the case itself is extremely lightweight, yet there seems to be plenty of padding in it. So I'll link to the website where you can purchase these below, and make sure you check it out. And if you're a Fuji shooter like me, this is a perfect travel case for you. Thanks again for watching, and until I see you in the next video, ciao for now.